We just landed here with the barren beach, came back from Arcus, and now it is time to get into this Arcus jet. It's one of the 4 Arcus modified with a special jet engine and night vision goggles and so on. So it's really an experimental glider, it's a powerful glider, and you can make a self-launch with this jet engine. Let's check it out quickly. I think they didn't change here the number, but I would say it's an Arcus jet, not an Arcus M. It's the engine doors are here from the Arcus M, but the mechanism in here changed, and this big jet engine is installed here. And then you can see here these exhausts, and they are pointing to the side so that it won't hit here the vertical stabilizer, only available in America, I would say. So here in the panel everything is modified and coated so that you can use night vision goggles. That's really special. Other than this, here on the side you can see some special things. This might be the gas lever, and then here is an automatic flap system available, but you can use it manually as well. Let's see if we get more than 2. For today we are happy.
Yeah. Honestly, for an East Coast thermal, it's pretty okay. A couple good options that might be strong to do, yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty good try. It looks like it might be enough to get us across the gap.
Yeah, somehow it developed, I would say now.
Yeah.
Even in the other directions. There's some more whiskey we can try. But I would say it's your turn again.
Okay. I have the controls. Maybe a little more on the left side here.
Yeah.
Let's figure it out.
So, and you think that's the power plant, the gas power plant you
I
down there?
bet they turned it on. Probably gonna put the pylon out here in a second or two.
Yeah,
We're still well out of the airspace for the vector.
Yeah.
Oh, that was fun. It was something completely different.
More airplanes and gliders.
Yeah.
This was really a fantastic experience to fly with this Arcus jet. I really understand that it is so cool to have this jet engine here, especially for taxiing on the ground and getting out of this airspace here really quickly. That's really the perfect solution. Climb rate is great, the speed is great, it's just a lot of fun.